Hello everyone. So today we are going to show you how to add store for notice on your WooCommerce website. It might be like a top notice for your customer or for your visitor. Suppose here you see there is a 50% discount for your order. So let's get started and show you how you could add similar notice on your website. So at first you have to go to your website dashboard, then go to appearance customizer. Then from the customizer you have to go to commerce, then store for notice. Now see commerce, let's go store notice. So you could type your text there. Suppose our text is bonga 50% off, no promo code needed. So click to enable store notice. Then you will see store notice will be appeared there. Here is it. Click to publish, and boom. So let's see how it is look like on the front end. Yeah, you see there is a store for notice on your website. If you click to dismiss, it will be disappear. But good to good notice for your customer. So your customer will know if they place the order, they will get 50% discount without any promo code. It's not it cool? Yeah, man. Let me know what you would like to learn from us. We will try to make a video tutorial for you. Let's see on the next video.